Running a cleaning company shouldn't feel like juggling 5 apps just to get through the day. One tool for leads, another for bookings, a spreadsheet for follow-ups, texting clients manually, then trying to remember who needs what next. It works until it doesn't. That's when things fall through the cracks. You don't need more tools. You need one system that runs everything in one place. That's what Go High Level was built for. And at WebEye, we took that platform and turned it into a fully loaded system for cleaning companies like yours. It handles lead capture, instant auto responses, quote, follow-ups, appointment confirmations, review requests, client tracking through a visual CRM. No more switching tabs, no more manual messaging. Everything's already connected and already built. You don't need to set it up. You just log in, follow the walkthrough, and start working with a real system, not a pile of disconnected tools. If you're ready to run your cleaning company from one place without the tech headache, click the link in the description and access the WebEye system built on Go High Level.